Hello everyone, welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you music note nails art design step by step guide. Simple to create this nail art design will be music to your ears. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a dark purple nail polish. Step number 2 is using a nail art brush and a gold nail polish. Create 3 straight horizontal lines on all of your nails. Step number 3, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Place dots randomly along the lines on your nails. Step number 4 is using the same tool and nail polish. Add a vertical lines to the dot to create the beautiful music notes. Step number 5, using the same tool and nail polish, add a short diagonal line to the top of the node and or connect two nodes to create 8 nodes. Step number 6, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go, your beautiful music note nail art is ready. You can enjoy your nails in music function and your parties as well. If you have any parties in this season, you should have follow this design and look beautiful. I hope today's my video you like it. If you like, please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, any questions about this video, please comment me below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.